Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to hide your mobile number on Facebook account. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To hide your mobile number on Facebook account, go to your Facebook and click on your profile icon on upper left corner. Then click on About tab and then scroll down. Click on Contacts and Basic Info. Here under Contact Info you will find here your mobile number, and by default Public is selected. Click on Public here and now select Only Me and click on Save, and here you will find a lock icon. That means only you can see your mobile address on your Facebook account. This is the easiest way to hide mobile number on Facebook account. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.